tornado emergency for northern Siskiyou County and northern Modoc County. The National Weather Service in Medford has issued a tornado warning for northern Siskiyou County in northern California, northern Modoc County in northern California, until 7:17 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:14 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Eureka. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 49 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for northern Siskiyou County and northern Modoc County. This includes Eureka, Hawkinsville, Copco, Doris, Tula Lake Municipal Airport, and Wilson Valley. Locations impacted include Eureka, Hawkinsville, Copco, Doris, Tula Lake Municipal Airport, and Wilson Valley. This is an extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed if not underground or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay, seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room or the lowest level of a structure, or if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no shelter from this tornado.
Alright, to all our residents in Siskiyou and Modoc counties, we seem to have gotten word from the National Weather Service office in Medford, Oregon, that there's currently a tornado emergency in that area. We don't know if this is an EF4. Yeah, this is an EF4. So, again, we urge you guys to seek shelter. We will now continue our broadcast.
If you don't wanna see me